Hey, good morning. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be showing you a machine that we just finished up at Equipment Technologies, ETI in Hudson, New Hampshire. Give you an idea of what we do here at ETI. So I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to kind of show you what we're doing, and I'll show you this Sigma series machine we just finished up today. We had the buy off yesterday. Of course, it went smoothly. No issues. So we were working on this for a couple weeks. Got the machine done. That's an overview. This is an etching machine. It's for one of our customers that's doing some very specialized etching. Kind of out of the PCB industry, but nevertheless, it's kind of the same process. It's working with some precious metals, etching of that type. So this is a machine that we designed basically for them out of a Sigma series chemcut. So you can see there's a conveyor system. All brand new rollers, wheels, gears, everything. There's a water saver device that we put on all our equipment. Shuts off the water as if it doesn't see a panel sensor. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. That's kind of an overview of the machine. What we got is a main etch chamber with oscillation, a rinse recirculating, a single rinse cascade back to that rinse, and a dryer module. I'll open this up and got the air on. Same problems before. Anyway, that's kind of the rinse chamber. You can see again all the gears replaced, all the rollers, everything. That's normally what we supply at ETI when we rebuild one of these wet process lines. So there's an overview again of the machine. I'm also going to show it to you running. It's a dryer system we're using. So we run everything here at ETI. We try to run everything at least a minimum of 24 hours of run time on these machines before we break them down and reinstall them. This is a 2-pump system, 7.5 horsepower with 100% filtration. This would actually make a really good solder mask developer on this machine. Again, it's an etcher, but pretty much the same setup as a solder mask machine. So we have a lot of the Sigma series modules in stock here. So I'm going to bring you over to the control panel, give you an idea what that looks like from ETI. That's an overview of it. What we do a little differently is, these heated controllers, dock controllers, these are off-the-shelf items. You can pick them up at just about anywhere on the internet. It's a control panel that we make from scratch. And there's kind of an overview inside. Everything's neat and clean. Got a VCG drive in there for the dryer, so we can change the settings on that. This particular customer is doing some really thin materials, so we wanted to be able to control the dryer module down to whatever we need to do. We're afraid of material getting blasted out of the dryer, so we're able to control that through that. Full schematics on the machine that we supply, so if you ever have any problems, you can fix it, and some good electrician can figure this out. Most of the time we can help anybody out over the phone. Well, we got these systems down pretty well. Let's fire it up. There's not too much we can't do over the phone on these systems. If you do have an issue, we could probably isolate the problem fairly quickly. So we're going to fire up the machine, give you an idea of what it looks like running. So we did our checklist on the machine. We have an ETI checklist that we make sure everything's working properly. We do run panels through the machine. Machine's filled up with water for testing purposes. That's all we can do, which is normally fine. There's the oscillation system on the etch line. Got some good pressure throughout the system on the two pumps, one upper and one lower. There's the rinse section running. We're shooting about 25 PSI, I guess. And again, there's the conveyor system that gets completely replaced. So we got a few specialty items that we added on this, a dowsing system and so forth. Again, double pump system, 100% filtration. Here's a good overview. We'll be adding a dryer box to this to encase it, make it a little bit quieter for our customer when he's in production. Another overview. So I hope that gives you a pretty good idea of what we do at ETI. Gives you an overview of what you can expect from us when you're buying a piece of used equipment or mostly a rebuilt piece of equipment. We've got some really cool projects coming up that I'm going to be videotaping as well. Next couple of weeks I got a couple laser drills we're doing, ESI 5200 and ESI 5330. They'll be in the shop soon. Got a tin stripper, we got about 5 laminators we're doing, so I'm going to videotape a few of those too. But the real project we're excited about is the ESI laser drill. It's going to be a lot of fun. So if you like what you see on the videos, hit my subscribe button on YouTube and the bell, and you'll be notified when I put a new video out. But I hope this is helpful and give you a good idea of what we can do here at ETI for you. Give us a call anytime. We're out of Hudson, New Hampshire, and our website is www.chemcut.com, and you can reach me through LinkedIn or any of the other social medias. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.